Hello everyone, this is MB Kitchenette and welcome to my channel. MB Kitchenette is a place where you can find easy, quick, home-cooked recipe. To all my followers, thank you for your continued supports on my channel. And to those who are new here, welcome to my channel and hope that you will subscribe at the end of the video. Today I will share to you on how to cook easy stir-fry chayote with carrots. Hope you stay here until at the end of the video. To begin, let's chop 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. Write in the comment the country where you are watching my video. Then slice 1 piece of medium-sized onion. Your feedback helps us grow. Write your views in the comment. This recipe is made easy for you to follow. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to always be updated. This recipe is made for 1 to 2 serving, so we need only a slice from a bell pepper. Have a slice from a bell pepper, then cut into strips. Have 1 piece of carrot and cut into strips. If you're looking for more other stir-fry vegetables recipes, then check my playlists. There are a lot more in store for you. Most of them are made for easy home-cooked recipe. Here we have 1 piece of chayote, the queen of the show for today. Peel, cut, remove the seeds, then cut also into strips. Chayote is one of my favorite vegetables because of its sweet taste. And we can also say it's a versatile vegetable because the young leaves are also edible. The ingredients are prepared. We needed 20 grams of minced pork. Then we can begin on cooking. In a heated pan with cooking oil, let's sauté the garlic and onion. Wait until the onion is caramelized before adding the minced pork. Now we can add the minced pork. Continue on cooking until the minced pork is cooked, then add the seasonings. We need half a teaspoon of salt, garlic powder, vegetable flavors, a pinch of pepper. Mix all the ingredients, then add the chayote and pour half a cup of water. Let it cover until it boils, then add the carrots and the bell pepper. Continue on cooking for 2 minutes, then we can turn off the heat. I hope you learn and enjoy today's recipe. Don't forget to follow my Facebook page and subscribe on my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for you to be always updated. Have a happy, healthy meal.